ass. Billy, fix my ass. Billy, fix my ass. Cue the James Bond music. Welcome to Billy Fix My Ads, episode 8. Today I'm reviewing an advertisement by Stealth Termite. Whew, that's why it was stealth. Hold on, need a water break. Cut! Time to get into my zone of genius. What? This advertisement is from Stealth Pest and Termite Control. It says, "Attention Anthem, Arizona. We're giving away 20 general pest control coupons for only 39.99 cents. This includes up to 2,500 square feet, interior and exterior treatment, one-time treatment, new customers pay. I don't care. I don't care. You know what this advertisement is missing? It's just emotion taking me over." All my black people, you know what song I'm singing. White people are like, what's Billy doing? Anyways, back to the ad. What I'm trying to tell you here is this advertisement is not an advertisement. This is informational. You're just giving me informational. Always put yourself in the shoes, and show me switching shoes here. Always put yourself in the shoes of the customer. Get out of your own shoes, damn it. What I mean by this is, from a sales perspective, this is your dream setup. The client knows it's 40 bucks. They know exactly how many square feet will do. They know all this. It's all about you. But when you're a client and you have a pest control problem, you only have one thought out of your mind. Oh my God, there's a spider in my bed. Get it the f out right the f now. Right now. No. Steven, no. We're sleeping at my mom's house. That's enough. No. Or, in my house, it sounds something like this. Nah, get that shit out. Nah, I'm not going in there. No. Is that a spider? Done. That's what people are thinking. No one, when they have a bug problem, is thinking about, oh my God, there's a spider. Well, if I call the pest control company right now, they're going to do the interior and the exterior. They're just going to do, just looking at this ad here, this is what's going to happen. They're going to be thinking about, is this a one-time treatment or a two-time? They don't go through the process enough to think about this stuff. So what this advertisement needs to be is a short skit. Not a picture of this, but like, actually, you know what? You can even roll with the picture because it's something that everybody automatically understands. It doesn't need a lot of explanation. But instead of just showing a scorpion, show a scorpion in the bed with someone and them not seeing it. Show the after of somebody getting bit by a spider so that they can associate it with the pain, hence the emotion. And when people are emotional, they take action. Peace!
Hi, I'm Hector. And the irony of this episode is that there's a bug the whole time right there.
Sure, fine. Listen close and I'll fix your ass. Billy, fix my ass. Billy, fix my ass. Billy, fix my ass.